Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the unboxing of brand new Galaxy A51 5G model. So this is the latest offering from Samsung. This is the UK variant. It is retailing for around currently 429 pounds. So it is 100 pounds more than the 4G variant. There are notable differences between the 4G and 5G variant. The first one is the chipset, like the new variant comes with Exynos 980, which has the inbuilt or integrated 5G modem, and it is comparable with the Snapdragon 765G chipset. Apart from that, there are few other differences, like the battery capacity on this one is 4500, whereas the regular variant comes with 4000 mAh. And also this variant comes with 6 GB of RAM, whereas we used to get 4G variant with 4 GB of RAM in UK. And it comes with the internal storage of 128 gigabytes, and it comes in two colors. One is prism black and the other one is prism white. Let's quickly see what's inside this box. Okay, we have the phone itself, and let me keep the phone aside for a while and see what are all the accessories we do get. We do get the fast charger. So as you see, says the output of 15 watts. Fast charging adapter. And apart from that, we do get the very basic plastic earphones, which is nice. And we do have that type C cable. Apart from that, like the regular paperwork. Let's see the phone itself. Okay, here is the phone. I have already completed the initial setup for this phone. Let me remove this cover and keep the box aside. And as you guys see, the phone comes with 6.5-inch super AMOLED display. Like it is the dimensions and the size, the screen size are exactly identical to the 4G variant. Probably the thickness is bit more due to the battery capacity. Apart from that, most of the specs are almost identical. At the back, as you see, it comes with the quad camera setup, same as 4G variant, and the back is plastic. There is a bit of change in the design, as you see here, like it's been divided into two parts, and a bit of change in the design, but nothing much. And if you see at the right side, we have the power key, and here's the volume keys, and at the top we have the microphone and the SIM slot. The UK variant comes with dual SIM. Let's check whether it has the dedicated micro SD slot. Okay, looks like sorry guys, so looks like it's a hybrid SIM slot, so either we can use two SIMs or one SIM plus micro SD card. And on the left side it's pretty clean. At the bottom we could see the 3.5 mm jack and type C port, the secondary mic, and the speakers. Yeah, the phone looks and feels great, especially the display, and no complaints about the display, like where Samsung used to do the make the great displays. And I have completed the initial setup with the in-display fingerprint. Let's see how quick the fingerprint scanner is, because we saw a lot of comments for the 4G variant where the fingerprint scanner is pretty slow. Let's see how this phone performs and whether it is consistent or not. Seems pretty okay, not bad. Takes a second or so to unlock the phone, but definitely it is pretty accurate, so I don't see any issues with the in-display fingerprint scanner. And let's quickly check what's the version of Android it comes with. So you guys see, the phone comes with one UI 2.1 and the Android version of 10, so which is the latest version, and it is running with security patch from May. So the security patch is not up to date though, but hopefully, like Samsung used to update their phones every 3 months, especially the mid-range phones. So that's the quick unboxing and first look of the Galaxy A51 5G variant. Let me know, guys, what you feel about this phone, and do you guys think it's worth those 100 quids extra when compared with the regular 4G variant? And let me know if you guys wants to do the in-depth review or the camera review of this particular model. Thanks, guys. Thanks for checking this video. Do subscribe and like. Thank you.